Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to set up your TikTok for under 13 age. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the TikTok application, and after that please go into the profile sections here. Okay, and if you can see there is like three straight line here, click it and go into setting and privacy. And after that please go into the content preference here. Hold on until you find out a restricted mode. Just go into the restricted mode and turn on the restricted mode so that there will be an access or there will be a filter about the content that will appear on your homepage. And set the pin. The pin is used for unlocking this restricted mode 2 later. Do the confirm. And now the restricted mode is already on, so you can like controlling, or it's already filtered the content that will be appear in our home. You can also turn off this mode later by just click turn off and entering the pin. So that's all the way how you set up your TikTok for under 13. It will be secure for your children or your little sister or little brother. That's all the way tutorial today. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.